How to find which version of TensorFlow is installed in my system. I need to find which version of TensorFlow I have installed. I'm using Ubuntu 16.0 for long-term support.
This depends on how you installed TensorFlow. I am going to use the same headings used by TensorFlow's installation instructions to structure this answer. Pip installation. Run. Note that Python is symlinked to the bin Python 3 in some Linux distributions, so use Python instead of Python 3 in these cases. Pip list grep TensorFlow for Python 2 or pip 3 list grep TensorFlow for Python 3 will also show the version of TensorFlow installed. Virtual env installation. Run. Pip list grep TensorFlow will also show the version of TensorFlow installed. For example, I have installed TensorFlow 0.9.0 in a virtual env for Python 3. So, I get
Almost every normal package in Python assigns the variable .__version__ to the current version. So if you want to find the version of some package, you can do the following. For TensorFlow it will be for old versions of TensorFlow below 0.10, use tf.__version__.
For Python 3.6.2,